Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's your girl Samantha, and today in this video I will be talking about the QEI Plus Paris lightening lotion for tone up your skin, make it look nice and brown and beat things. So make sure you like, share the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get my good upload on my, you understand me? For the QEI Plus Paris lightening lotion, this is one of the amazing lotions to brighten and lightening and whiten your skin, make your skin look flawless. Understand? Yes. So we all know we all want to get brown and pretty and look light and bright. So remember guys, I'm no dermatologist, but I know my way around the bleaching. Understand? So let me introduce you to the QEI brightening lotion. Understand? First of all, you do not want to use any lightening gel with this QEI Plus Paris lightening lotion, because if you do so, I warn you, remember, I warn you, do not use it. Because if you use it, you're going to over bleach your skin. And the QEI lightening lotion is very strong. Do not add nothing to it. Just use it as it is. Use it as it is, guys. Because you can use that QEI lotion like twice a day, and you can use the carrot one or the shea butter one, and it depends on your skin type, you know, because some people might use the carrot one and okay, and some people might use, it may not work for your skin, and some people can use the shea butter and it works good, and some people might it just not work for you. Understand? So it's just based on your skin type and what you want to use, isn't it? Because maybe suppose the overall QEI Paris lightening lotion just overall don't agree with your skin, you just have to stop use it from you see any sign. I always tell my subscribers, you know, you do a test patch. Do a test patch on your skin before you plaster the cream all over your face. Oh, I want to get white. I have no time. I can't wait. I just want to get white. And you use it and you see your skin that start rush out. Well guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. And always hit that notification bell so you can get my video when I upload them. Yeah, you are the first. And make sure you comment first. Anyway, guys. Oh God, I have more video on my platform so you can go check them out. I'll be posting a next video tomorrow. So guys, tell a friend to subscribe to my channel and make sure you subscribe because I'll be watching you.